Hi, I'm Mike Fusco, the president of Fusco Orsini Associates. If you're watching this video, it's most likely because we didn't earn your business, or whether it be a policy renewal or a new opportunity to earn your trust. If you decided to go with another agency or purchase insurance elsewhere because it was a better fit for your situation, I totally understand that. We're not the best fit for everybody. We understand there are lots of options out there, and I wish you the best of luck if you found one that you're more comfortable with. However, if you left our agency, or if you did not give us the opportunity to explain why our policy premium may have been more expensive than others, and your decision was solely based on the price of the policy, I urge you to please review your coverage for these 7 coverage exclusions, coverage limitations, or coverage limits. For one, if it's a commercial property policy, whether it's a building that you own or you're insuring business, personal property, or in the marine, take a look at the policy and make sure that you do not have 100% coinsurance, a 100% coinsurance clause. 2, if it's a construction liability policy, take a look at your policy and make sure there's no subsidence exclusion, prior work exclusion, or action over exclusions on your policy. Also, take a look and see if there's a sunset clause or manifestation provision on your policy. If so, I urge you to get those removed, any of those exclusions or limitations. For 3, if you have a homeowner's policy, make sure there's coverage for mold or water damage and that there's no animal liability exclusion on your homeowner's policy. 4, if you have an automobile insurance policy, whether it be a personal auto policy or a business auto policy, take a look and make sure you have adequate liability limits. Low limits on an auto policy you could face severe consequences if the limits are too low. If it's an EPLI policy, take a look and make sure there's no wage and hour exclusion on your EPLI policy or a wage and hour sublimit. Again, back to homeowners. Make sure you have extended replacement costs on your homeowner's policy. And finally, if it's a business owner policy or business auto policy, make sure that hired and non-ownership auto liability is included on the policy. Again, we understand price is important. We know we're not the right fit for everybody. We don't try to be. We try to do the best we can for our clients and our prospective clients. However, we want to make sure that you're protected and that you understand coverage. At Fusco Orsini Associates, we place a large emphasis on insurance education to make sure our clients understand what they're purchasing and make sure how they're covered in the event of a claim. So I ask you, take a look at the policy and make sure none of these exclusions or limitations apply. Make sure your limits are adequate and you understand your deductibles. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me or your insurance broker. You can call me directly at 858-384-1507, and you can reach our agency at 858-384-1506. Thank you again for the opportunity, and we hope to earn your business again in the future. You take care.